Slowly and secretly, he is forming his team to govern the country. According to the news that has reached us, the head of the Tajik Railways, Komeal Mir Zalalev, will be brought to the Dushambi mayor's office instead of him. Tajik Komeal Mir Zalalev Pablo Escobar has become one of the most influential mafiozi and drug lords of the international level. He seized land along the Afghan border in the Hamadani region. The people who cultivated and worked on these lands had farms. Now they are gone. Camille took them all and transferred them to Tajagro. This is his own company, and everyone else who owns land works for him. The working day is 70 Simony. This is Tajikistan, a paradise on earth. But for whom did he open a gold store on the banks of the Panj River? On the banks of this river, on the border with Afghanistan, a number of luxurious cottages, recreation areas, have been built. Rustam and his friends fly to these cottages by helicopter. They relax, bring their bride, and rest.